Brake fluid is essential for the hydraulic braking system in your Tesla Model Y, even with regenerative braking technology. While regenerative braking helps slow the vehicle by recapturing energy, the traditional hydraulic system still requires brake fluid for emergency stops and situations where maximum braking force is needed. Regular checks of your brake fluid are vital for maintaining safety and preventing potential brake failure. The brake fluid reservoir in all Tesla Model Y models, including standard range, long range, and performance variants, is located under the hood. To access it, open the hood using the touchscreen command or the manual lever. The reservoir is situated on the driver's side, near the firewall, behind the strut tower. It's a translucent plastic container with a screw-on cap. Before you begin the brake fluid inspection, park your Model Y on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure the vehicle is secure. Next, make sure the vehicle is completely turned off to prevent any safety hazards during the inspection. Wait for the engine bay to cool down completely before opening the hood to avoid burns from hot components. Finally, wear protective gloves and safety glasses to shield yourself from potential brake fluid exposure, as it is corrosive and can cause skin irritation or other health issues. Carefully remove any debris or covers surrounding the reservoir to gain clear access. Then, slowly unscrew the cap. Wipe it clean first to avoid contamination. Observe the fluid level against the min and max lines marked on the reservoir. The fluid should be between these lines. Beyond checking the brake fluid level, it's equally important to assess the fluid's condition by examining its appearance. Healthy brake fluid in your Tesla Model Y should appear clear or amber in color, indicating it's clean and effective. If the fluid looks dark or cloudy, this signals contamination that can reduce braking performance and safety. In such cases, the fluid needs to be flushed and replaced. Contamination often results from moisture absorption over time or wear from the braking system, especially in vehicles like the Model Y that use regenerative braking. Here's a visual comparison showing the difference between good, clear brake fluid and bad, darkened fluid that indicates it's time for a change. Using the correct type of brake fluid is crucial for your Tesla Model Y's braking system to function optimally. Tesla specifically recommends DOT4 brake fluid, which has superior properties compared to lower-rated fluids. DOT4 brake fluid has a higher boiling point, making it better suited for the high-performance demands of electric vehicles like the Model Y. Always handle brake fluid with care, as shown in this safety warning label for DOT4 fluid. If the brake fluid level is below the min line, you need to add DOT4 brake fluid. First, ensure you're wearing safety gloves and glasses to protect against fluid contact. Wipe the reservoir cap clean to remove any dirt. Carefully unscrew the cap slowly, as it may be under pressure from the brake system. Use a clean funnel to prevent spills. Slowly add DOT4 brake fluid, which is specifically recommended for Tesla vehicles. Bring the level up to the max line, but avoid overfilling, as this can cause brake drag or leaks. After adding the fluid, securely tighten the reservoir cap to prevent dirt or moisture from contaminating the brake fluid. After completing the inspection and adding fluid if needed, carefully reinstall any covers or caps you removed, such as the plastic shield over the reservoir or the brake fluid cap itself. Make sure the cap is screwed on tightly to prevent contamination. Once everything is reassembled, start the vehicle and gently test your brakes at low speed in a safe area. Listen for any unusual noises and feel for proper stopping power. If the brakes feel spongy or the vehicle pulls to one side, stop immediately and consult a Tesla service center. Tesla recommends checking your brake fluid annually or every 10,000 miles, whichever comes first. This helps catch issues early, especially since regenerative braking reduces traditional brake use but doesn't eliminate the need for hydraulic fluid checks. For optimal performance, consider a professional fluid flush every 2 years or 25,000 miles to remove moisture and contaminants that can lower the fluid's effectiveness. Your Tesla Model Y's software provides enhanced vehicle health reports accessible through the Tesla app or touchscreen. These reports use onboard diagnostics to monitor various systems, including brake fluid levels, and can send alerts if issues are detected. While the app provides valuable monitoring, manual inspection remains essential. Tesla recommends checking brake fluid levels annually or every 10,000 miles as part of routine maintenance to ensure optimal safety. If you notice any problems during inspection or feel uncertain about the process, it's important to consult a certified Tesla technician. They have the expertise and specialized tools to properly diagnose and address any brake system concerns.